Imagine driving through the desert mid-July, sweat soaking your shirt, only to hear your car's AC compressor violently die. I've been there. Desperate, I bought 3 cheap portable coolers that barely blew mildly damp air, turning my sweltering car into a humid sauna. Finding a real, effective portable car AC is a massive headache because most just don't work. But I finally found the ones that actually blast icy cold air. Today, I'm ranking the top 7 portable car air conditioners. Wait until you see our number 1 pick. It literally turns your back seat into a freezing winter wonderland. 7. Della Air Conditioner. When I first took this gadget out of the box, I was genuinely excited by how lightweight and convenient it felt. It is completely rechargeable, meaning you can place it anywhere in your car without wrestling with annoying power cords or taking up your essential 12-volt sockets. I placed it right on my dashboard during a moderately warm afternoon drive, hoping it would give me the crisp breeze I desperately needed. The unit operates using an evaporative cooling system, which means it relies on a small water tank to chill the air passing through it. It features a sleek digital display that lets you easily monitor the battery level and fan speed, which is a nice modern touch for something this small. You can even add ice directly to the reservoir, which the manufacturer claims will significantly drop the temperature of the airflow. For a few minutes, right after adding fresh ice cubes, the breeze hitting my face was undeniably refreshing and brought temporary relief from the sun beating through the windshield. However, the honeymoon phase with the Della ends rather quickly once the ice melts. Because it is an evaporative cooler, it relies on blowing air over water, which fundamentally adds a ton of moisture to your environment. Inside the small, unclosed space of a hot car, this quickly becomes a massive issue. Instead of a crisp, cool cabin, my car started feeling like a sticky, tropical rainforest. The added humidity actually made the heat feel significantly more oppressive after about 30 minutes of continuous use, forcing me to roll the windows down just to breathe comfortably. Furthermore, the battery life at maximum speed leaves a lot to be desired, barely lasting enough for a standard commute before needing a recharge. 6. Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0. I decided to give this one a thorough test run during a weekend camping trip where I was sleeping in the back of my SUV. The Pure Chill 2.0 boasts a lightweight, oscillating design that is supposed to distribute cool air more evenly across your space. Out of the box, it definitely feels a bit more substantial than the Della, and the oscillating feature is something you rarely see in ultra-compact, battery-powered units. This device uses what they call hydro-chill technology, which is essentially an upgraded evaporative cooling pad system combined with a multi-directional air vent. You fill it with water, turn it on, and the internal fan pushes air through the soaked pad to lower the temperature. It features multiple LED light settings, which is admittedly quite cool for creating a nice, relaxing ambience at night in the back of a car. The fan itself is surprisingly quiet on the lower settings, making it completely unobtrusive if you're trying to catch a few hours of sleep in the back seat. But despite the flashy marketing and sleek lights, I ran into some frustrating realities during my road test. The cooling effect is highly localized. If you're not sitting directly in the path of the oscillating breeze, you won't feel any difference in the cabin's overall temperature. More problematically, the water tank design is incredibly finicky when used in a moving vehicle. Taking a sharp turn or braking abruptly caused water to slosh and leak out of the bottom tray, soaking my car seats and leaving a frustrating, damp mess for me to clean up on the side of the road. 5. Evapolar evaCHILL. When I unboxed the evaCHILL, I was immediately struck by its minimalist, futuristic design. It looks like a premium piece of technology rather than a cheap plastic accessory. I set this one up on the center console of my car during a grueling afternoon traffic jam to see if its premium price tag translated into superior, reliable performance when the sun was bearing down on the highway. What makes the Evapolar dramatically different from the previous models is its patented EvaBreeze material used in the internal cooling cartridges. Instead of standard cellulose pads that can harbor mold and bacteria over time, they use a basalt-based inorganic material. This makes the device incredibly safe, clean, and surprisingly efficient to operate. It consumes a minuscule amount of electricity, meaning I could easily run it off a small portable power bank for hours on end without ever worrying about draining my car's primary battery system. In practice, the evaCHILL delivers a remarkably smooth and noticeably colder stream of air than the budget alternatives on the market. Because of the advanced cartridge design, it manages to cool the air slightly without immediately turning the car into a humid, sticky mess. I also absolutely love the fact that the water tank is completely sealed and spill-proof. I drove over several aggressive speed bumps and took some tight corners during my test. And the evaCHILL didn't spill a single drop of water, completely solving my biggest complaint with the Arctic air. While the evaCHILL is undeniably the king of evaporative coolers, it is still bound by the strict laws of physics. 4. BougeRV New PC35. This is where the game completely changes for mobile climate control. The very first time I fired up the PC35 in my heated garage, the difference in air quality was night and day. This isn't just a fan blowing wet air. This is a miniature version of a central air conditioning unit, complete with a real compressor and refrigerant designed specifically for mobile and off-grid use. The BougeRV PC35 pushes out an impressive 3,500 BTUs of real cooling power, which is a massive leap in capability compared to anything previously mentioned. It features a rugged, durable exterior that feels perfectly suited for off-grid camping or tossing into the back of a work van without worrying about babying it. One of the best aspects of this unit is its versatility with power sources. You can run it off a portable power station, a generator, or direct AC power. It also features a dual hose system for venting, which is absolutely crucial for efficiently exhausting the hot air out of your vehicle while pulling in fresh air. I tested the PC35 on a sweltering 90-degree afternoon, routing the thick exhaust hoses out of my cracked back window. Within 15 minutes, the ambient temperature in the entire cabin had visibly dropped on my thermometer. I wasn't just feeling a cold breeze on my face. The actual air inside the car was dry, crisp, and genuinely comfortable to sit in. The compressor works efficiently, and the dehumidifying effect of a real AC unit meant that my windows stayed perfectly clear and the air felt incredibly refreshing. The only reason the BougeRV PC35 sits at number 4 is its physical footprint inside the vehicle. 3. EcoFlow WAVE 2. When I unpacked the WAVE 2, its futuristic aerodynamic design immediately stood out from the competition. It doesn't look like an industrial appliance. It looks like a high-end piece of smart tech. I brought this along for a cross-country road trip, relying on it to keep my modified camper car comfortable during unseasonably hot southern nights, and it did not disappoint. What makes the WAVE 2 truly extraordinary is that it packs a staggering 5,100 BTUs of cooling power, making it significantly stronger and faster than the BougeRV. But that is not all it does. It also functions as a highly effective heater for winter trips, boasting 6,100 BTUs of heating capacity. This dual functionality makes it a true year-round climate control solution for your car or tent. Furthermore, it operates without requiring any complex installation or constant drainage in cooling mode, as it smartly evaporates condensation internally and exhausts it as a fine vapor. My absolute favorite feature during testing was its seamless integration into the broader EcoFlow battery ecosystem. You can purchase a custom add-on battery that snaps directly onto the bottom of the unit, creating a completely wireless, all-in-one cooling powerhouse. Using the add-on battery, I was able to run the WAVE 2 on its eco mode all night long while sleeping, without ever turning on my car's engine. The custom window venting plates included in the box made setting up the dual exhaust in my car window an absolute breeze, taking less than 2 minutes. The companion smartphone app elevates the entire experience, allowing you to monitor power consumption, adjust fan speeds, and set automated temperature curves from the front seat while the unit sits in the back. 2. Zero Breeze Mark III. Zero Breeze essentially pioneered the modern portable aircon conditioner market, and the Mark III is their most refined, powerful masterpiece to date. I have been following this brand for years, and taking the Mark III out for a weekend off-roading trip felt like wielding the ultimate weapon against the brutal summer heat. Its compact, military-inspired design makes it look incredibly rugged, perfectly suited for the harsh, dusty environments of car camping and intense overlanding. The Mark III features a highly advanced dual-cylinder microcompressor that manages to push out an astonishing 5,280 BTUs of cooling power while keeping the unit's physical footprint incredibly small. Weighing in at a remarkably light weight compared to its direct competitors, you can literally carry it with one hand using the built-in ergonomic handle. It also features a specialized multi-layered air filtration system, which was an absolute lifesaver when I was driving through dusty trails, ensuring the air inside my vehicle stayed fresh, clean, and icy cold. The battery technology on the Zero Breeze Mark III is a genuine work of art. The proprietary modular batteries slide and lock perfectly under the main unit, keeping the whole setup incredibly sleek. During my test, I was amazed by how incredibly quiet the custom compressor is. Unlike older models that rattled and hummed loudly, the Mark III operates with a smooth, low-frequency hum that easily faded into the background while I slept in the car. The directed spot cooling is so aggressive that if you point the hose directly at yourself, you might actually start shivering within minutes. Setting up the exhaust system is intuitive and brilliantly engineered, utilizing flexible, accordion-style hoses that easily adapt to any car window geometry without leaking heat back inside. 1. EcoFlow WAVE 3. If the WAVE 2 was a leap forward, the WAVE 3 is an entirely new dimension of mobile cooling. When I managed to get my hands on this newly released powerhouse, my expectations were already sky high, but it absolutely shattered every single one of them. I set it up in my SUV on a blistering 100-degree afternoon, fully prepared to push the device to its absolute breaking point to see what it could really do. The EcoFlow WAVE 3 features an unprecedented cooling capacity that completely leaves every other unit in the dust, utilizing next-generation inverter compressor technology. This advanced compressor allows the machine to variably adjust its speed, resulting in not only lightning-fast cooling times, but mind-blowing energy efficiency. EcoFlow has deeply integrated advanced AI temperature control into this model. You simply set your desired cabin temperature, and the onboard AI calculates the perfect balance of compressor speed and fan output to maintain that exact temperature while preserving maximum battery life. During my extreme heat test, the WAVE 3 performed utterly flawlessly. The air blasting from the vents was so intensely cold that it actually frosted up the edges of the plastic vent louvers. It completely transformed my sweltering, heat-soaked SUV into a freezing winter wonderland in less than 10 minutes. Furthermore, the noise reduction engineering on the WAVE 3 is phenomenal. Even with the compressor running at maximum capacity to fight the 100-degree heat, it is shockingly quiet, allowing you to easily take calls, listen to music, or sleep peacefully without a roaring engine sound in your backseat. The ecosystem integration is more robust than ever, allowing rapid charging via portable solar panels, direct vehicle alternators, or smart home panels.